On May 21, 2024, Egyptian infantry forces arrived in Sudan to participate in bilateral military exercise involving ground, naval, and air armies of the two countries, the Sudanese army said on Friday. The military media stated that preparations are being completed for the launch of the Sudanese-Egyptian drill dubbed Nile Protectors from 26 up to 31st May. Beside the ground force, the drill involved the Air Force and the Air Defense Forces from the two armies. Armored vehicles and weapons arrived in Port Sudan, while the troops were transported by plane. The drill will take place in Sayala and El Obeid of northern Kordofan and Merowe in northern Sudan. It will be followed by a naval exercise in Jebel area on the Red Sea. Altair Abu Haja, the media advisor of the Sudanese Army Commander-in-Chief and head of the Sovereign Council, said the Nile Protector drill are the continuation of the previous exercise in Merowe and Alexandria between the two armies. The Nile Protectors exercise expressed the firm conviction of the two countries about the need for joint strategic action to address potential threats and the need for tight coordination to defend vital strategic interests of the two countries. Further stressed Abu Haja. Sudan and Egypt previously denied that these exercises are directed against the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, which is perceived as a threat to the two countries' interests if Addis Ababa continues to refuse to sign a legally binding agreement on its filing and operations. The chairperson of the African Union is expected to file new proposals to the three countries about the outstanding issues in the near future. Sudan Tribune.